All right, today is June 9th, 2025. We'll go over the pre-market levels. Okay. Just looking for the clock. There it is. All right, so we got a level up here for ES. Yeah, that's correct. All right, that level is on the full hour and the 15-minute. It appears a full hour and a 15-minute. Let's see. We got this level here, but it's been choppy, so I'm not gonna bother it. This is the 30-minute. The 1 minute, I don't see anything yet. We do have this level down here, which created a trend. All right. So let's go to the 1 minute time frame. So we got this level right here where we had a downtrend and an uptrend, right? So things that I'm looking for are just like so. I have my little checklist for my levels. My levels need to be a solid news candle. So within the solid news candle, I'll look for some form of volume on the tick chart, and then or a new trend that's been created by a new trend, a support and resistance level that's been created that creates a new trend. So this is a new trend. So we had a downtrend, and then here we have an uptrend, right? So this is a new trend. Bam, bam. Somewhere around here, we're gonna look for buying pressure. All right, so this is a new trend right here, right? So since we kind of engulfed all of that, right, I'm going to make it like this. You can see that some volume came in, unknown volume, and then some selling that failed. Let's bring this over to, what is that, 55. All right, like that, maybe even over to 58. All right, so we're gonna look for volume here on the tick chart. Let's bring this back. Let's bring this back to just 47 itself. All right, so we're gonna do that. Okay, so we had volume, died out a little bit, try to sell, couldn't, and then price just took off. All right, this is today. This is also today. Sunday we had a nice little sell-off, bounce. All right, new trend, couldn't hold. Price decided to kind of like hold this trend down here. All right, and then it bounced up. All right, so that's what we're dealing with right now. I think this level is important. If not, this is the next level down here. So let's go to the tick chart. Let's find the tick chart, and then let's look at this 1 minute level. All right, and let's see if we have anything to help support this. We got some strong selling here. Not what I'm looking for. Strong selling, strong selling. All right, so we have basically failed sell. All right, let me remove this. I'll put it back. Got a buy right here. Maybe it came from over here. All right, it looked like it came from this here. So let me zoom out a bit. Yeah, it probably came from over here. That's where that's probably likely coming from. It goes down as much as that. Let's bring that out. What is this? This is 430. That's where price. Okay. So now when price comes back to it, right? So I have to redo this. I'm gonna look for oh, actually it's already set up. Let me save it. I'm gonna look for selling RSIs and then buying reversal. All right. So we have RSIs here, RSIs here. This shouldn't have any RSIs because I don't need that. But these here, you see that we had buying, and then we need selling reversal right here, like boom, bam, right? Boom, bop, beam, beam, boom, bop, bow. Cool. All right. So if price comes down, I want to see some red RSIs coming into it, and then buying reversal with green volume, and then we'll take it straight up. All right. So this is a 1 minute level. This is a 20 tick. No, this is a 10 tick. 10 tick. 1 minute. ABS. Support. I know what it means. If I just see those things, I know they haven't been consistent, but as long as I see these information, I know exactly what I'm looking at. So this is about a 10-point move. All right. All right, let's go to NQ. All right, I don't really see a new trend. Maybe that, but nothing on the 1 minute. And I don't really see anything else after that. Thank God. Don't really like dealing with a lot. Let me make sure I did my weeklies and all that other stuff. My weekly highs and lows. I don't think I did that. No, I did not. Okay. That's that. 4 hour daily. Zoom out. 4 hour. Kind of broke through that, so maybe there's something here. One hour. 30 minutes. Alright, so we got a 30-minute, not yet. Still trying to form. Alright, still trying to form. Like this one here, it's a straight up trend. Hasn't really created a new trend yet. Alright. This is just a pause continuation, so I'm not gonna even deal with that. Maybe there's something here because where the thing that we had was at. Let's look at this candle under a microscope. I'm just gonna use this and that, and then we got this. Alright, we got buying back here, buying right here. It's to 100. do 50. Okay. This is news. That's all that is. Okay. Yeah. Alright, no new trend. In a sense, we got kind of a new trend here. We came up, broke, so but that's faded now. Okay. Alright, so that's basically it. Let's go to VIX. I think there's much I can do with VIX. Yeah, VIX is still doing like a lot of a lot. So I'm not sure how to deal with that. Yo. Shit. Okay. All right, let's do settlement price. Let's do all the stuff that we got. We got no news today, Monday or Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays is where we have the heavy news. I'm gonna see if these 8:30 news can give me something to work with in midday. I'd love that for Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Hopefully, we get those solid candles like we had last week on the NFPs on Wednesday and Friday. Um, so we'll see what comes of that. Let's do the settlement prices. As far as earning wise, we got the GameStop, the meme stock coming out on Tuesday night. I think Oracle might be something. Other than that, I don't have anything else in mind that I think may be of importance. So this is gonna be an interesting week. Let's look at the economic calendar. Nothing. CPI, jobless claims, and consumer sentiment. So yeah, this is gonna be an interesting week as far as what we receive from the market. All right, so that's that. All right, so that's basically it. Ain't got much to work with, so guess yeah, we want to see price come back down to here. This 6007.75 area. That's what I'm working with. Alrighty. Um let's see what they got in pre-market. Friday held pre-market. Market 19. Yeah, that's right. I got that. Play long 60.48. You even have anything above this? I ain't got shit. It's at 60.48. I'm just gonna try to go as far as it can go. Man, this week does 94. I am bear 59.20, 5900. Alright. Right now, the only levels I got left is between here and there. That's it. 60.06 to 69.19. 60.48. I don't think I have anything for that. So the 4 hour, zoom out. Is about here. Yeah, this is the 4 hour level we've been dealing with. Right, and now it's way over there. So let's go to the hour. Zoom out. Yeah, I don't have anything. Yeah, I don't have anything. So we'll see what comes of it. All right, so that's that. How is Tesla doing? What a friggin' dump. Day came out to here. This look more technical than anything. Alright, and it just dropped. It looks more technical than anything. Alright, so that's it. This is why I wanted to see some buying. Alrighty, I'm done for now. Be back later. Adios.